An Executive MBA from the CT Bauer College of Business will help you make the most of your leadership potential. You will learn from world-class faculty alongside some of Houston's top business leaders. Today, we'll walk you through the application process for the Bauer Executive MBA. Before you start the application process, make sure you have your resume or CV, unofficial transcripts, financial aid information, and any relevant certifications. To start, go to applyweb.com/uhouston and create an account. Once you've verified your email, enter your contact information and select Masters as your program type. Then, choose Bauer College of Business and MBA Executive. From there, choose your term and track. Next, enter your education, upload unofficial transcripts, your resume or CV, and certifications. Answer a few questions about yourself and how you heard about the program. Then, add academic honors, work history, community service, and your recommenders information. Complete the Texas residency form and certify your application. If you have a veteran fee waiver code, enter it now. Finally, pay the application fee and click Submit. Congratulations, you are on your way to becoming a part of the EMBA program here at Bauer College.